If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Steam, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Access your Steam account by opening the Steam client or visiting the Steam website. Enter your username and password to log in. Step 2. Navigate to your account details. Once logged in, click on your profile name in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Details to access your account settings. Step 3. View your purchase history. In the Account Details section, locate and click on View Purchase History. This will show you a list of all recent transactions, including any pending ones. Step 4. Identify the pending transaction. Scroll through your purchase history to find the transaction that is currently pending. Click on it to view more details about the transaction. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. If the option to cancel is available, you will see a cancel button or link next to the pending transaction. Click on it and follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation that the pending transaction has been cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.